So guys, back to my channel. So pupunta ako ngayon sa may Plaza Hugo para i-shoot yung kanilang basketball court doon dahil second coating na. Nakita nyo sa unang aerial video ko, yung Plaza Hugo is first coating pa lang. So tara, samahan nyo ako mga ka-drone para i-shoot ulit at gawa ng video ang Plaza Hugo. So stay tuned.
Meron yan! Uy!
So pupunta muna tayo guys sa may barangay. Diyan si Chairman sa plaza. Nag-chat sa akin eh. Thank you. O, kukuhanan. Ganda si Chairman, baka nandun sa my card. Tara guys. Wala si Chairman dito. So, dito punta guys. Ikot tayo doon sa kabila kasi doon bukas. Magpapalipad tayo doon para alamin no. Uy, andyan na si Chairman. Kukunan ko kasi kayo. Kukunan ko kayo habang nagbibintura. Pero pwede pa naman tumapak dyan eh, no? Okay. So ito guys, kukuhanan ko lang sila, no? Ng aerial. After aerial, gagawa tayong vlog. Para kuha na sila. So kuha naman na natin sila ng video. Sila kuya. Kuya, pero pwede nang tapakan to? Okay lang. Ayan guys, si kuya, pinipinturahan na yung pinakaupuan, no? Dito sa may Plaza Hugo. Ayan. Sila. At yung harap sa may stage, yan. So guys, ayan, tinatapos na nila. So second coating to kasi first coating hindi ko sila nakuhanan dahil di ko alam kung anong araw at anong naka-schedule sila noon. Buti na lang sinabihan ako ni Chairman Evangeline Esguera na ngayon yung araw ng kanilang pagpipintura ulit dito, no? So napakaganda na itong Plaza Hugo. Kung ikukumpara noon na ordinaryong basketball court, ngayon napakaganda na. So, ayan guys, para makita nyo kabuuan ng Plaza Hugo basketball court. Ito. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan guys. So ito yung sa may likod, yung parang pinaka-garden nya. Ini-maintain ni Chairman mga halaman dito. Ito. Ayan. So, ayan. Diba? Napakalinis at kaya-ayang tignan, no? Ayan. Ito dati wala to eh. Wala tong space na to. Baka dati rin ano to, parang lupa lang. Pero ngayon maganda na itsura at nilagyan na nila ng mga ganitong design. Yan na nakikita nyo. Yan. Dito. Para mas magandang pagtambayan. No? Yan. So guys, maya konti magpapalipad tayo ng drone para kuhanan nito ng aerial. So guys, no, ito nakita nyo naman na pinipinturahan na, tinatapos na yung Plaza Hugo, no. So kita nyo ito, si Kuya pinipinturahan dito sa may stage. Ayan. Ayan, pinipintura ni Kuya. Tinatapos yung pinakaharapan ng stage. Then ito naman si Kuya doon. Ayan. Tinatapos niya rin. So Kuya, estimate nyo mga ilang araw pa to? So guys, ayan, kaya tapusin ng isang araw yung pintura na ito. Dahil napakabilis naman trumabaho ng mga tao ni Mayor Isko Moreno. So okay guys, tayo magpapalipad ng drone, kukunan natin sila ng aerial video shot, no? So okay guys, stay tuned lang.
Oh yeah, yeah. Hey. Every week is fashion week for me. Wake up, put on all the freshest shit you ever seen. New York, LA, Milan, Italy. I know that your girl wanna get up and leave with me. Every week is fashion week for me. I just went to Barney, spent your whole year's salary. I never wore Yeezys, that's a fact. Every week is fashion week for me. I just spent your car note on her back, yeah, yeah. Cause every week is fashion week for me. Wake up, put on all that freshest shit you ever seen. I got shit you don't, and that's a fact. I don't really feel that bad, yeah, yeah. Every week is fashion week for me. Wake up, put on all the freshest shit you ever seen. New York, LA, Milan, Italy. I know that your girl wanna get up and leave with me. Cause every week is fashion week for me. Every week is fashion week for me.
In the sky, still ignoring advice. On the roof getting high, sipping on my so cold. Live it up till I'm dead. Ignorance in my head. Fuck whoever you are, I do it for a small pole. Blow my smoke in the sky, still ignoring advice. On the roof getting high, sipping on my so cold. Live it up till I'm dead. Ignorance in my head. Fuck whoever you are,
yeah. I'll be after that, half and half on a Palmer G. I got your girl calling, told me meet me at the beach. I'm with hollering in Main Street at the Colony. Starlight was bright with the last night. Now she's calling. The rules might bend or break, that'll remain hidden like Ruth throwing down when Mary's away on business. That's tactics, is flower dress, long hair, blurred nights, but we still taking care, we rep the fam. Wake up way too early, get some food and dine and dash. Too hungover to know the difference between this and now. Focus on how to open her up and approach her with class. Weekends lose they meaning every evening like the last.
Blow my smoke in the sky, still ignoring advice. On the roof getting high, sipping on my so cold. Live it up till I'm dead, ignorance in my head. Fuck whoever you are, I do it for a small pole. Blow my smoke in the sky, still ignoring advice. On the roof getting high, sipping on my so cold. Live it up till I'm dead, ignorance in my head. Fuck whoever you are, I do it for a small pole.
I can't keep up with the tempo. That's right, he's right, alright, let's ride. Now, what you tryna get into? Let's find some time tonight. Yeah, rooted and forget to pick up the 750 a dry gym for Fifth Ave liquors. Us kids are wavy, waving the sweeties on the street. Sticker slap the fam logo right up.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So kakatapos ko lang magpalipad ng drone, kakatapos ko lang din sila kunan ng aerial shoot, no? So napakagandang tignan sa ere ng pinaka baba itong court mismo pag nasa taas ang kuha ng video, no? So napakaganda guys. So makikita natin kung ano na yung malaking pinagbago na Plaza Hugo dito sa Santa Ana, Manila, no? So ito ay pinaayos nila, no? Pinapaganda nila ang Santa Ana, ang Plaza Hugo. So yan, kita nyo naman guys. Kita nyo yan, kung gaano nakaganda ang plaza. Yung sila kuya nagtratrabaho pa kahit tirig araw, no? Kahit mainit, tuloy ang trabaho. Yan. Yan. Pati dito sa may stage, no? So napakaganda na rin ang ginawa nilang design. Yan, design na yan. Yan. So kuya, pinipinturan yung flooring, no? Tatapusin nila ngayon araw na to, yung flooring na to. So ito, panoorin nyo si kuyang kanyang tinitira, pinaka kulay yellow, oh, yan, dilaw na yan. Pinipintura ni kuya yung pinaka dilaw. So ito ay malapit na matapos, siguro mamayang gabi okay na to. Umulan lang kasi kaya hindi agad natapos itong pagpipintura nila dito. So ito naman flooring dito sa stage, no? So para makita nyo guys, yan. Yan guys. So yan, pinipinturan, kita nyo naman. Tatapusin nila to kung araw na to. So yan guys, okay, nandito na sa labas. So ayan, kita nyo naman, ito yung area ng Plaza Hugo, no? Ayan, ito. So bali ito, yung may gilid ng hagdanan ng stage. Ayan. So punta tayo kay chairman. Tayo'y papasalamat dahil binigyan niya tayo paintulot na kunan ang Plaza Hugo, no? chairman ng Cadrone guys, no? So, tignan natin. Hi chairman! Kamusta po? Kamusta po? Good morning.
Welcome po sa Barangay 884 dito po sa Plaza Hugo Street, Santa Ana, Manila.
Chairman, mga hanggang kailan yan? Bago ma-clear matapos.
Tatapusin daw po nila ngayon. So, yun lang yung pangalawang patong para talagang mas makapal kasi yun yung bili ni Mayor.
Okay.
Kailangan daw makapal para kung madapa man yung player, hindi daw masaktan. So, ganun kamahal ni Mayor ang lahat ng Manileño.
Yes, ayan mga Cadrone.
Kaya maraming salamat, Mayor.
Thank you,
Napakaganda
Mayor.
na po ng aming basketball court at ang buong plaza. Asahan nyo po, i-maintain po namin ang kalinisan mula po sa mga halaman, yung palalagoy namin para mamulaklak, para po maaliwalas po at maging green ang aming kapaligiran. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Mayor. God first.
God first!